Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi A5 front bumper. First, ensure your vehicle is safely lifted and supported, then remove both front wheels. Next, carefully locate and remove all the screws that secure the wheel arch liners to the bumper. After that, you'll need to detach the various fasteners holding the undertray in place. This step is crucial as it provides access to the lower bolts connecting the bumper to the chassis. Taking your time here will prevent damage. Now let's move to the top section of the bumper. You'll find several Torx screws located along the top edge, often hidden behind the grille. Remove these carefully. Next, if your Audi A5 has headlight washers, you'll need to unclip their hoses and disconnect any electrical connectors for fog lights or parking sensors. Finally, gently release the plastic clips situated on each side, near the headlights. These clips hold the bumper firmly in place. At this stage, double-check that all screws, bolts, and clips have been completely removed from the bumper. It's easy to miss one, which can cause damage. Once you're certain, stand in front of the vehicle and gently but firmly pull the bumper straight forward. It should start to separate from the vehicle's frame. Be prepared to support its weight. Have a soft blanket or mat ready on the ground to safely place the bumper down. To reinstall your Audi A5 front bumper, simply reverse the steps we've covered. Align the bumper carefully, ensuring all clips engage properly, and then reattach all screws and fasteners. Double-check every connection to ensure the bumper is secure and flush with the bodywork. This attention to detail prevents rattles and ensures a professional finish. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Taking your time during reassembly is just as important as during removal for a perfect result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.